called Simple Vintage Sand and Sea. Sand and Sea. So if you are a beach person, then Sand and Sea is probably right up your alley. All right. Sand and Sea. We will take a look at the a la carte pieces and then we will take a look at the big bundle. Amy has just copied and pasted the link to Simple Vintage Sand and Sea in the chat. If you are watching separately, if you're watching after the fact, then there will be a link in the description box of the video to this collection. Because what we will do when it's over, Amy will then parse out all of each collection, and then with each of the products in that particular collection, you will see the video just for that collection. All right, so we're going to start out with the paper pad. 24 sheets, 2 sheets each of 12 different patterns. Double-sided, so you get even more pattern. The beach is calling and I must go. If I had a tattoo, that's what it would say. And if I won $1 million, well, that's not, let's be honest, $1 million wouldn't cut it. If I won $10 million, I'd say the beach was calling and I went because I have a house on the beach. I mean, I don't. I don't now. If I won $10 million lottery, I would. That's where I would like to be all the time. Beautiful. Just that, like that stripe and the colors here, just such pretty colors. You have some lighthouses, beautiful floral there. Oh, that reminds me of beautiful wallpaper. This scene, I love that. I'm going to do something with that. I don't know yet. I'll do something with that. You have the tags, scene with the lighthouse, cut aparts. Oh my goodness. And that, I will do something with that too. I love that. That floral's really pretty. And then you get the cut aparts. Okay. 2 sheets of your 3x4 cut aparts and then repeaters. Okay. So that is the 6x8 paper pad. As we saw when we looked at Simple Vintage Timeless Harmony, this Simple Vintage collection also has rub-ons. So 6x8, you have 2 6x8 sheets. They are both different. What a fun beach scene there. Here, your little Volkswagen. So fun. So those are the rub-ons. A la carte. Everything I'm showing you right now is a la carte. Then we'll move to the icon stickers and the basics. So you'll notice the color palette here obviously is very red, white, and blue. There is nothing in Simple Vintage Sand and Sea that has anything to do with Independence Day or the 4th of July in the United States. So if you are in Canada and you're thinking, oh, I love this collection, but I can't get it because it's 4th of July or Independence Day, it is not. It is just a really beautiful color palette for a kind of nautical beach theme. Beautiful camera, a nice little moped. That, what a fun vintage swimsuit, right? Explore the shore, memories by the sea. That ice cream. I am hungry. It is dinner time. It's past dinner time. That looks tasty. Even the crab looks tasty, but not like that. Not like that. I just want the parts from the inside, not the outside. I don't like the shell. I mean, I don't like to have to I don't like do the work to have the crab. 2 beautiful border stickers. Those are the icon stickers. And then we will take a look at the basic stickers. So the basic stickers are basic for the most part. They're going to be your word strip stickers, your labels, a few little tags maybe. As we come over here, some tabs, some border stickers. There are a few icons. So those are your basics stickers. And then we have the two. Oh, no, not two, not two. My package here of things to show does not have let me just pull it out here. Does not have the bits and pieces. So bits and pieces also available a la carte. Bits and pieces, journal bits, and floral bits. Oh my heavens. I need some more. You guys believe how many little trays I have? I have a lot of trays. I have to have a lot of trays for things like this. More. All right, let's look at bits and pieces. Bits and pieces, 77 pieces. Ms. L said, wow, this is beautiful. It is. It is a beautiful collection. It really is pretty. Really is pretty. If you live near the beach or if you go on beach vacations, it is just stunning. Great escapes. Just take me there right now. Sailboat, lighthouse, little picnic. There's that blue version of the swimsuit. You know how flattering that would look on pretty much all of us, right? That's beautiful swimsuit. Except people might think we were old fashioned, but that would be okay. Yay. Let's get away. Enjoy today. Beautiful floral cluster there. Wild and free. Oh my gosh, look at the sand castle. Nice vase of flowers, some seashells. Ooh, a nice beverage of whatever your beverage is of choice. Beach life, a little moped, a hat, seagull, oh, a red swimsuit, a suitcase. Anyhow, you'll get a really good feel there. There's some stamps, postage stamps. Ooh, a shake. Yum. Some hanging. Oh, that's cute. Loving this. You will see that image on the website, and that image has, well, you'll be able to see everything on the website through that. Okay, this I need to make sure I have to put this over here. That has to go back in the big bundle. Then we have journal bits. Journal bits. There are 68 pieces of the journal bits. Journal bits are going to be less icon heavy, although that's a little, look how fun that is. Beautiful title there. Some little tags, little word strips, some tabs, photos, currently, set sail, dream, high tide. You have a couple of memory decks looking cards there, tickets, lots of things there. A nice little frame, moped card, library card, nice camera strip. Oh, these strips are fun, aren't they? A little bit longer. Those are the journal bits. And then we have the floral bits. Floral bits. This one, just bits of florals, right? Beautiful. So pretty. This pack is similar enough that you could probably, if you were a card maker, you could, even though they're not all the same, make some amazing cards, kind of, come up with a pattern and then add a cluster and maybe a word strip or something like that. A little sentiment or greeting would be really fun, really easy cards. Those are the journal bits. Or excuse me, floral bits. Pardon me. Okay, so that takes us through all of the a la carte products into the big bundle. So if you love this collection and everything that you've seen, the big bundle is direction you may want to head, because the big bundle gives you everything I've already shown you, plus everything else in the collection with the exception of the stamps. I never do the stamps in the big bundle because that really starts to jack up the price. But when you buy the big bundle, it is 15% off. So it just kind of makes a lot of sense if you love it. Going with the things that we already saw, the 6x8 paper pad, the rub-ons, the floral bits, the journal bits, the bits and pieces, the icons that I showed you. You have the chipboard pieces, so your icons that are backed on chipboard, so give you a little bit more dimension. You have the foam stickers, which again, one of my favorite products when I'm working in a mini book, usually. Nice titles, foam stickers, so they give you lots of dimension. You have the basic stickers. Oh, sorry. These things, let me back up here. Basic stickers, also a la carte. Then you have the icon stickers, which were also a la carte, but in the big bundle, the icon stickers are included in the 12 by 12 collection kit. 12 by 12 collection kit has one each of 12 different papers. Everything's double-sided, including the 1, 2, 3, 4 cut aparts and the basics, or excuse me, the icons, sorry. You have the Vintage Basics kit. So if you are looking for the exact right colors for your bases of any project, they are dyed to match the collection, right? Their color is the exact same color that you see throughout the collection. Foam stickers, chipboard. And then these last two guys, you have the glossy enamel dots and the decorative brad. So the metal with epoxy in the center and then a few chipboard pieces at the bottom. And that is simple vintage sand and sea.